What's up, YouTube? I'm back with a new video today. It's pretty much just a week of following me around. I don't know, I haven't vlogged a lot. I haven't really been on here a lot. I vlogged when I went to San Clemente with my family and then LA with my friends, but it's been crazy. I don't know, I should do a little life update, but I moved out of my house and now I'm going to college. It's summer now, so I'm doing summer school now, but I've done fall and spring semester. I wanted to I had intentions to vlog the whole time, but things just got crazy, and honestly, I did not realize how crazy college was gonna be. So I'm back and I want to post more videos and blogs and all of that good stuff because it's where I find my most joy. So this week I'm really not doing that much, but I just kind of wanted to bring you along with my life. I don't know. But like I said, I moved out and now I have a little apartment. It's just across from the college, so nothing super fancy, but I'll do a little room tour because I think it's cute. Okay, so you walk in. I just put this here. I honestly don't know where to put it, but I have this little seating area, 2 chairs, some plants, and then this wall of, oh, you can't the sunlights. I don't know. There's a wall of plants, vines, whatever. And then I have 2 closets. This just has my shirts and shoes. And this one has my dresses and my pants and more shoes. And then for my chairs, I have this little side table and then my little bed and my pictures. This is my whole setup. And more shoes down there. I have this little mirror. And then I have these little shelves, 2 full of stuff. And then I just have my own little bathroom. Alright, so today I am just going to go run some errands, and this is my little outfit. I have these cargo camo pants. Honestly, I don't even know if these are in anymore, but I thought they were so cute, and I've wanted them forever, so I got them from Urban. And I just have this little crop top from Urban on as well. And then these Nike Air Force something shoes that are super uber cute. So yeah, that's my outfit. Alright, I'm at dinner with my mom now. This is really bad lighting. I don't have my vlog camera. Okay, we're at dinner together. And we have, I got this jackfruit torta. I don't know, it's I don't know, it looks good.
Something yummy.
And some fruit, and she got a breakfast burrito. But we went and watched Sap Dance at her drill team thing, so that was super good. But that's pretty much all that I've done today. Just run errands. Alright guys, so it's the next day. It's 5:40 in the morning and I'm going to Pilates at 6 a.m. class. I don't know why I do this to myself, but I'm wearing this really cute jumpsuit and it's from Forever 21. And I get so many compliments on it and everyone thinks it's from Lululemon. But I love it so much. It's so nice for Pilates. So let's go.
I see you lighting up your cigarette. Does it burn you like you burn me? So many nights I've been trying to forget. Do they hurt you like they hurt me? And all I've been thinking about.
Alright, we're at this we're going to get facials right now. Parker came down and so we're getting facials because I really am in need.
It's my first time. I'll let you know how that goes.
Stay tuned. This is so funny, I can't. Alright guys, so it's a little bit later. I went to Hot Pilates this morning and then just got ready and I watched that 70s show. I've been obsessed with that 70s show. I was watching Riverdale, catching up on that because season 2 came out on Netflix, and now I'm watching just little clips from that 70s show and it's so funny. Anyway, so today I work until 5, but I wanted to show you my little outfit. I have to like, so I work at a clothing store, so I have to like dress fancy and, or fancier, not like super. So I'm just wearing this Calvin tee and these trousers with this trench coat and then these black heels. I'm sure I'll change out of these by the end of the day, but that's my outfit right now. But anyway, so yeah, I don't have, like, I hope I have enough footage. I don't know. Me and Parker got facials yesterday and my skin is feeling so good today. I didn't put makeup on it last night, so putting makeup on today, it looks pretty good. But, so that was super fun and funny. I'm just glad that he was, oh gosh, that he was able to come down. Okay, I'm here at dinner with my mom and my sister. Oh, Mom, you're so pretty. And you are too. Sav just danced at her dance camp for drill team. So, the little sass monster wanting to come get pasta.
I grew up memorizing all the cracks in the wall, staring up at the...
You guys can't really see me. I just got back from the gym. I have a class at our fitness center on campus, so I have to go to it like twice a week. So I just got done with that. I did like a little 3-mile warm-up run and then just one of like the Kayla Itstein's little arm and ab workout, and it was really good. So now I'm home and I have just like homework and work to do today. This is like awkward. I put the camera down here, so I'm just gonna... Anyway, so I realized that in this video I haven't really like shown what I eat in a week. And so right now I'm gonna make a green juice smoothie. My mom got me this like green powder stuff and I haven't tried this one yet. So I'm gonna make a green juice for you guys. So, here goes. Alright, so I usually start with some water in it. I put a little bit of water and then I actually filmed this clip a little bit and it was really bad. So there's already orange juice in here. I just put a tiny bit of orange juice just so it tastes better to me. And then I put my spinach in there. I'm sorry this is such an awkward clip, like, I don't know. Alright, so you just put... Just put a good portion of spinach in there. And then I have this frozen kale that I also put in. I have just a little part of a cucumber. And then I have half of a mango. Hopefully this blends up okay. Oh, and then this. I just like, there's so many green things that you can put in here. This one is by Modere. It's green QI. Plant extracts and I don't even know. But there's so many things, like just green little powdery stuff to put in your drinks. Then I just have like this tropical fruit mix. Then I have this banana that I'll put in. I think that's it. It's super good, sweet, and then I'll just have like the rest of the banana and mangoes for breakfast. Super good, healthy.